What if I told you that you could practice speaking English right now, right this second, even if you're doing something else, even if you're cooking, walking, or just lying on your couch? In the next 5 minutes, you're going to speak an entire day of English with me. No textbooks, no grammar rules, just you, me, and real English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ms. English Daily, where we make English simple, natural, and fun. I'm your host, Sarah. Before we start, this is super important. If you want to improve your speaking, hit that subscribe button right now. We make videos like this every week to help you speak English confidently. All right, here's how this works. I'm going to say a sentence about my daily routine. After I say it, you repeat the same sentence out loud. Don't just listen, speak. This is called shadowing, and it's one of the fastest ways to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Ready? Don't pause this video. Don't skip ahead. Stay with me until the very end. Let's begin. My alarm goes off at 7 in the morning. My alarm goes off at 7 in the morning. Now you say it. Good. I turn off my alarm and close my eyes again. I turn off my alarm and close my eyes again. Now repeat after me. Perfect. I think about what I need to do today. I think about what I need to do today. Your turn. Great job. I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. Now you say it. Excellent. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. Repeat after me. Nice. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Your turn. Very good. I get dressed quickly because I'm always running late. I get dressed quickly because I'm always running late. Now repeat. Perfect. I go to the kitchen and boil water for tea. I go to the kitchen and boil water for tea. Say it with me. Great. I check my phone for important messages. I check my phone for important messages. Your turn. Excellent. When I have time, I eat toast with butter. When I have time, I eat toast with butter. Repeat after me. Good job! I cut up an apple or a banana. I cut up an apple or a banana. Now you say it. Perfect. I leave the house around 8:30. I leave the house around 8:30. Your turn. Nice work. I listen to podcasts on the bus. I listen to podcasts on the bus. Repeat. Great. I say good morning and start my day. I say good morning and start my day. Now you say it. Excellent. Around noon, my stomach starts growling. Around noon, my stomach starts growling. Your turn. Good. I usually eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I usually eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Repeat after me. Perfect. I bring leftovers from dinner. I bring leftovers from dinner. Now you say it. Great job. I buy a sandwich or a salad. I buy a sandwich or a salad. Your turn. Nice. I sit on a bench and enjoy my lunch. I sit on a bench and enjoy my lunch. Repeat. Excellent. I drink coffee to wake up. I drink coffee to wake up. Now say it. Good. I have meetings and answer emails. I have meetings and answer emails. Your turn. Perfect. I stretch my legs and walk around. I stretch my legs and walk around. Repeat after me. Great job. I pack up my things and head home. I pack up my things and head home. Now you say it. Excellent. I buy groceries for dinner. I buy groceries for dinner. Your turn. Nice. I take off my shoes and sit down for a minute. I take off my shoes and sit down for a minute. Repeat. Good. I cook something simple like pasta or chicken. I cook something simple like pasta or chicken. Now say it. Perfect. I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. Your turn. Great job. I watch a show or read a book. I watch a show or read a book. Repeat after me. Excellent. We talk about our day. We talk about our day. Now you say it. Nice work. I brush my teeth again and change into pajamas. I brush my teeth again and change into pajamas. Your turn. Perfect. I set my alarm for 7 in the morning. I set my alarm for 7 in the morning. Repeat. Great. I fall asleep thinking about tomorrow. I fall asleep thinking about tomorrow. Now say it. You just spoke an entire day in English. That's real progress. Now try describing your own daily routine using these same sentences. Change the times, change the food, make it yours. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Thank you for practicing with me today. This is Miss English Daily. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos coming your way. Keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep getting better every single day.